Welcome to Teams and SharePoint. This online training guide will prepare you to better work from home using Microsoft Teams. During this course, we will show you how to access Teams, install the app, and how to set up a team. You will also learn how to send messages, upload files, collaborate on files, and join online meetings. Teams is literally a workspace on your PC that isn't in a fixed location. Microsoft provides collaborative cloud-based workspaces where Office 365 users can send messages, share files, and more. A team can be created for a department, a project, or anything you like. Each team has access to channels, which are places where the people can share messages and files. Teams can be public, open to everyone in the organization, or private, accessible to invited users only. You can be part of as many teams as you like, and you can join or leave teams as needed. Microsoft Teams also provides additional communication tools such as chat, meetings, file sharing, and more. We will learn about all these features during this course. Getting into Teams is really easy. Log into your Office 365 account as you would normally do. If the Teams icon is not visible on the screen, click on the waffle button and select Teams. If it is in neither position, click on the All Apps and scroll down till you find it, then click on it. You will be given the opportunity to download the desktop app or to continue to the web app. Both are the same. This is the screen you will see when Teams opens. Let me explain the screen layout to you. At the top you will find the new chat button indicated here with a 1. The search bar alongside also allows you to use the / commands. These are often quicker than using the mouse. At position 3, this is where you can edit your profile, change your picture, and add personal information. Down the left-hand side of the screen is the side or navigation bar. This gives you access to chats, Teams, calendar, files. The big number 5 in the middle is our main window where everything will happen. It will change depending on where you are in the program. At the bottom left, where number 6 is, we have access to the Microsoft Store and to feedback. Next to that is the contextual task pane. It will change depending on where we are on the sidebar. Should you now decide to download the desktop or mobile app, you can do that by clicking on your profile button and selecting the relevant commands. This is what the desktop app looks like, and this is the mobile app. You will have access to all your Teams, messages, and files. Sometimes the program will give you a notification where you can download the desktop app from. Just click on the Download Now and it will download to your Downloads folder. You can see the progress in the bottom left. Just double-click it when it is done and follow the prompts to install. As you can see on my screen, there are currently no teams. It is possible that you will already have been added to Teams. Some companies do not allow everyone to create teams, but if you are, this is how you will do it. Click on the Create Team button. There are two options. We are going to build from scratch. Private means by invitation only, whereas public means anyone in the organization can join. We will choose public. Now give it a name, the more obvious the better. Add a description so that members know what the purpose of the team is. We're going to click on Create, and your team will be made. We are going to skip adding people for now. We'll add them a little bit later. You should now see your team on the left-hand side. At any stage, you can add a team member. When you click on the More button, you will have various options available. We are going to use the Add Member, but you could also use the button in the middle of the screen that says Add More People. You type the person's name in and then click on it to add them. You can add as many as you like. As it is a public team, anyone with the link can actually join, and you get that from the More button too. You will notice that there is a default general channel. Channels are how we can separate the team into subtopics. Again, you could use the button in the middle of the screen or click on the More button and select Add Channel. You're going to give it a name and give it a description. Channels do not need to be visible for all people. What you can do is under the privacy settings is you can select the people you want to have in that channel. You can also then tick the little box which allows makes it visible on the panel on the left hand side. Click the Add button. Now you should see your channel in the column on the left. If you are a member in several teams and channels, it is very useful to be able to pin your useful channels. What you do is you click on the More button and you select Pin. It'll then move it to the top of the screen and it'll make it easy to access. Managing a channel is sometimes necessary. Click on the three little dots and select Manage Channel. If it is an information channel, you may wish it to be moderated. You can prevent guests from making new posts, but still allow them to contribute to existing posts. In other words, they can reply. Moderation allows you to set more than one owner. You can decide if members can reply, if bots are allowed to create messages, or if you allow connections from outside to be able to create messages. These features are advanced and will be taught on further courses. Most channels, however, will not need moderation. Posting a message is easy. Click on the Start New Conversation box and type. The arrow at the end of the box will allow you to post the message. The buttons below allow you to add all sorts of other content. Replying is just as easy. Each conversation has the reply button underneath it. Click on the one you want to reply to and type your message. Press the arrow to post it, and you can add other content as well should you wish. Most of us are fans of social media, and on social media, if you see something you like to express that you like it. We have like buttons too. Click on the three little dots at the end and select the emotion that you're feeling regarding the post. There are other options available to us too. Formatting, attaching, emojis, GIFs, stickers, meet now, stream, and praise. And we can add message extensions. We can add any of the apps such as forms, news, places, stocks, weather, etc. Enjoy yourself. have more options available. Next to the like button, you can click on the three little dots and see the options that are available. We can even create a poll. Using the formatting button, we can expand the message area. We can add a new conversation or decide to add an announcement. You can also decide who can reply to it too, whether it be everyone or only the managers or moderators of that forum. You can also post it in multiple channels. Select the channels that you wish to use. When you are ready, type in your announcement. Feel free to experiment and look around. There are some lovely options available. As you can see, we have all the usual tools available. We can add GIFs and stickers. With the stickers, you can search for the one you're looking for, edit the text to say what you want it to say, and then click on the Done button when you're ready. Now you'll notice that your announcement is ready. Click on the arrow to post it. In the top right-hand corner, you will notice an orange announcement button. Go to the other channel and you can see the messages there. You can expand it by using the See More option. Files can be accessed at the top of the screen. These are known as tabs. The New button allows you to create content in the channel. Uploads allows you to import files and folders. These already exist. Copy link is when you wish to share a file, and download allows you to make an offline copy. Add cloud storage is to connect to SharePoint, Libraries, Dropbox, Box, ShareLife, and Google Drive, depending on your company's policies. You can also change the view or the look of the actual folder structure by using the All Documents command at the end. To upload a file, select Upload, then Files. Select the file that you want and it will upload. Currently you cannot see my files that are available, but you would select the file and immediately would start to upload. Use Ctrl or Shift to select multiple ones. The 3 blue lines indicate that something is new. The More button allows you to open online or in the desktop version. Copy link allows you to send the link to someone. Make this a tab, download, delete, pin to top, rename, open in SharePoint, move, copy, or the More option, which allows you to check the document out. Sometimes you may want to upload an entire folder. This is possible using the folder command. Select the folder that you want to upload and click on it. It will ask you if you are sure. You click your agreement and the files will upload to the folder. You don't need to have the software installed in order to edit a document. On the More button, click Open, then Open in Online, Word Online. It will open in a new browser window. You have essential menus available to you, and it saves automatically. No need to click a Save button. When you are done, just close the tab, and the file will update automatically. You will need to be notified when messages arrive or content is added. Select the More button for the channel, then select Channel Notifications. Banner and Feed means desktop notifications will pop up on your screen and an alert will be put in Activities. Only in Feed will not put the banner on the screen. You can decide to be notified of all replies. Channel mentions are when people use the @ sign in front of your name. You have various choices to be able to see this. You can use the @ mention too, but the person needs to be in the team for it to work. Sometimes you need to chat with someone but don't want the conversation in a team. That is what the chat window is for. Posts work exactly the same way here, and you have all the same features as you do inside your teams. And that brings us to the end of this session. In the next session, we will do scheduling of meetings, recording meetings, meeting options, watching those recordings, and how to use Meet Now. See you then.